What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackmon here with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a 3-bed, 1-bath, all-brick bungalow in Canton, Ohio. We're evaluating this property for a potential acquisition. I wanted to give you a real estate terminology. And today's real estate term of the day is appraisal. Now, what an appraisal is what a third-party company does to determine market value. So what an appraiser will do is find 3 properties that are actually sold within a quarter-mile radius of the property you're thinking about purchasing or the property that you own. And they'll match your property comparable in bedroom count, bathroom count, square footage, and so forth. And whatever the average sale price of those 3 homes are, that is what the appraised value will be for the subject property. So if you're a homeowner and you're thinking about selling and you don't want to go through the process of having an appraisal done on your property, an appraisal can cost between $500 and $700. If you don't want to put your home on the market, have a buyer, take 30 to 45 days to get funding from their bank and get an appraisal and all that stuff, we're the people you need to call. We'll purchase your property cash in as is condition, no appraisals, no real estate commission fees, no closing costs. And we'll buy your property in as is condition so you don't have to make any repairs, and we can close in 2 to 4 weeks. So if that's something you might be interested in, definitely give me a call. You can reach me directly at 330-685-2220 or just visit the website www.investparamount.com.